The Toyota Land Cruiser fj45 pickup 2025 carries forward the legacy of toughness and durability, blending classic styling with modern innovation. This off-road powerhouse retains the rugged charm of the original fj45 while incorporating cutting-edge technology and performance upgrades. The 2025 model boasts a bold and muscular stance with a reinforced steel frame, wider wheel arches, and an aggressive front grille that proudly displays the Toyota emblem. Its LED headlights and auxiliary lights provide superior visibility, ensuring that no terrain is too challenging to conquer. Under the hood, the fj45 pickup is equipped with a high-performance turbocharged V6 engine that delivers an impressive 400 horsepower and 450 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a smooth 10-speed automatic transmission, this beast ensures a powerful yet fuel-efficient drive. Whether you're navigating rocky landscapes or cruising on highways, the vehicle's advanced all-wheel drive system adapts seamlessly, optimizing traction and stability. The suspension system has been upgraded to include heavy-duty shocks and adaptive dampers, allowing for a comfortable ride on both rough and smooth surfaces. With high ground clearance and reinforced skid plates, the fj45 can take on any off-road adventure with ease. The road grip is exceptional, thanks to all-terrain tires and a locking differential that enhances control even in the most challenging conditions. Speed enthusiasts will appreciate the balanced combination of acceleration and stability, making this pickup ideal for both work and recreation. Inside, the cabin blends classic design elements with modern comfort. The dashboard features a large touchscreen infotainment system with wireless connectivity, GPS navigation, and premium sound. The seats, wrapped in luxurious leather, offer superior comfort with heating and ventilation options. The rugged yet refined interior ensures that every journey is as enjoyable as it is adventurous.